Hey guys, it's our next YouTube channel, so you guys can be in it. So we're gonna we have a little wand, nice good little crowd, and welcome Stewie. Hey, welcome no one. I'm sorry I said that wrong. Okay, so now we're playing Barbie, so we have to dress up as a Barbie character. So I'm gonna do that right now. So shout out to all the notifications. Is that what you say? Shout out to the notification. That's what you say? Yes, I do that. So, what outfit should I change into? There's a lot of them. I just like them all, so I can't change into all. Just gotta choose one of them. Choose the wrong one. So I put on a good outfit, but it's not really working very well. So let's probably just get out the comfort zone and have a little fun. Probably play something else. Okay, so guys, it's kind of a good time to do a good, funny video. Shout out to all the notifications. Wait, before we start this video, you guys got 3 seconds to hit that notification bell. 1, 2, thumbs up button too. Okay. I don't think anything that I want, so we're probably for a minute. I can't usually, so because we have a little phone to remember something. I forgot the note. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. Accident. Okay, guys. Being kind of mutton. It's in Water School video, guys. It's gonna be great. A lot of stuff. We're gonna do playtime at the end of the day. I don't like that. I like to do it right now. Before we start this other video, you guys gotta hit that notification bell. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smack that bell. And smack the notification bell. Okay, guys. And I know where some pizza is. You guys want to see it. This is where pizza is. No, I can't see it. It's gonna show. I can't stuff in it. Dear dogs, they're cute, aren't they? Let's go to Barbie's room. Her room's kind of cool. I like it. Okay, gotta go this way. It says Barbie's room. Let's go to Barbie's room. See my. I'm kind of bald, so I'm gonna go get some nice, good, freshened hair. I know I'm not kind of beautiful, so I'm gonna change it into something beautiful and change it to something bad. So let's play something else. So we have my brother. He's not gonna usually be in my video. So guys, this other video and that old video, smack that thumbs up button in that video and that notification bell. You guys got that thumbs up button. 1, 2, 3, smack button. So Stewie, you gotta tell me, do I have hair or not? So we're gonna. Stewie's not gonna. You guys cannot. You guys can't usually see Stewie because I see him. My video is gonna be over and it's gonna be done with. I cannot make any more YouTube channels. This is the last one. Just kidding, I have more coming up. So you guys better be in them. I promise you. I really promise. Let's go get some hair. And tomorrow we're going to the dentist. So tomorrow I have to brush my teeth. I gotta brush them every day. But I don't do that though. Okay, let's see what kind of hair we got. I really like this blue hair, so I'm gonna choose it. Okay, that's the perfect hair. Stewie, do I have hair? So let's get into the Barbie house. Wow, where's the roof? Every time I look, I turn around, the roof's gone. I'm kind of frozen, so kinda the best day because I'm usually doing games and doing something else. In my other video, you guys saw me and Stewie doing a slime video. We were upstairs. The next video was upstairs. This video when we're downstairs. Oh wait, sorry. Cuter like other YouTube channels like Chad Wildcat, Me Wildcat, and I don't know if the